Hey guys, it's Minnie checking in, and it has been a moment since I did a makeup video or beauty video or whatnot. But I am here in Houston, Texas, and I just finished a show, a gig, and something unfortunate happened. I was singing on stage, and somebody was just like having the time of their life and was like dancing limbs everywhere, and I was trying to avoid these limbs, and I was successful up until he stopped. And then when I got close, in proximity area, that contact, so that person kind of like jumped for joy. And then when he did that, he elbowed me somehow, and then it got the microphone into my teeth and chipped my tooth right there. So with that being said, I googled on how to fix it, and people say go to the dentist, etc., but it's such a small chip that they said you could file it down. And when I YouTube some people, they try to file it with a nail filer. They didn't actually do it on the video, but I'm gonna try to do it and see if I can save a little bit of my messed up front tooth. Like, it's literally Christmas around the corner, and what I really want right now is my two front teeth. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. All right, so I'm gonna try doing that. So if you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Show me some love, and hopefully I have something that would work for you guys if you guys are interested. So at the club, I found some nail filers, so they look clean. If they're not, then just gotta clean my mouth later. Anyway, here it is, and I'm going to get really close inside my mouth and then file that down. And let's cross fingers that it works, because oh my god, I mean, I should be really upset, but like, why? Because it already happened, and I'm just gonna work up my energy and my body, and I'm just gonna be like, I don't want to deal with the extra stress. So I'm just gonna try this, and if it's not gonna work, then I'm gonna try to go to the dentist tomorrow, and hopefully it's open, because today's Friday. Well, now it's actually Saturday morning, 3 a.m. So I just finished the show, and here in my hotel room doing this video for you guys. So let's do this, okay? And if you guys are dentists out there, I'm sorry, but if this is insulting, but let's hope it works. Oh my god. It's so cringy. I don't see anything coming off yet though. Oh my god, I see some of it working. I mean, it just got onto this one, but not this one yet, because this one's longer. I'll show you guys. Oh my god. I want to tell a story. When I was younger, I wanted to file down my teeth, like to be straight like everyone, because everyone kept making fun of me for my bunny teeth. And I went to the dentist, and I told him, hey, can you hook it up and just like file it down? And he was like, he started to do it, and he prepared everything. He's like, you know what, I think I'm just going to just polish it. I don't want to file it down, because if I do, I think you're going to regret it, because this is like really cute, and it'll be like, makes you look younger. So keep your bunny teeth, like your two front teeth. So I'm like, okay. He didn't do it. He wouldn't do it. He refused to do it. So thanks to him. But now I might have to file it straight, because you know the story. Okay, let's do this. I can't talk while doing this, so if I'm quiet and I'm boring, so you can turn it off. Oh my god, it feels so cringy. It sounds so like crazy in there. I gotta file it this way because it's more chipped on the bottom. I'm such a hot mess. Oh my goodness. I think it's kind of working. I just don't swallow all this dust. We're getting there. I think. Man, homeboy took a bunch off. I think just go slow and steady and it should be okay. It's like basically like doing nails. It's kind of strange right now. Like the teeth is starting to look a little short. Alright. I'll probably fast forward this for you guys. It's gonna take a moment. Is it better? It's just slightly shorter. Not cute. I wonder if you have to like polish it to make it smooth or just wait it out. Cause I can feel it like unsmooth in the back. So don't try this at home, okay? And if you want to, then please have some professional supervision. I think with me, I kind of do the same with my nails, and I used to do nails, so I'm very careful with it. So if you're not careful, you might make a mistake and you're gonna regret it and stuff. So just a warning. And if you want to, good luck. Oh. Okay, his teeth is taking much longer, the longer one, because it's thicker. This one is like chipped, so it's like the front is there, but the back is gone. So it looks like it has a thinner layer than the other one. So just gotta take it slow. Keep doing that. Hopefully I don't get canker sores. Oh my goodness. Does it look good? It's a little shorter, but ooh, I could live with that, right? Just a little bit more. Okay, guys. I think that's it. It's okay, because this one's shorter right here than this one. It doesn't have to be super perfect, right? I feel like there should be a polish or something. It's kind of like scabby and you can feel it. Okay. All right, so I think that'll do. Hopefully over time it'll be like better in a sense, like it'll not feel as scrapey. Like right now it's kind of a fresh cut, so it feels like, you know, when you cut your nails and they're like fresh, they're kind of like really harsh. So hopefully over time it kind of dulls up, unless there's a way to dull it. But there's this buffer. I don't know if I want to shove this whole buffer in my mouth. Let's not do that. Anyway, all right, so that took me at least 20 minutes. It says 20 minutes on my camera, but maybe it took me 15 because I was talking a little bit earlier. But this is a lesson learned, because I take everything into my life to learn, and it's just to be more cautious and not be so like, okay, everything's okay on stage, because I feel like everyone wants to have fun and I just don't really make a big stink about it, so I just let it go. But then in the end, it's kind of like, oh well, you got crooked teeth, you know? And somebody broke your tooth. So it's kind of like, now I have to just be, you know, learn how to be a bitch. You know, I'm bitchy to my husband, I'm bitchy to my sisters, because we're just like that. We're always very comfortable, and we like to just play around and dick around with each other. But when I'm in public, I'm very like shy and I don't really say much, and most of the time I'm very cool with like just about everything. So this time it's kind of like, okay, next time just ask him nicely to go down on the ground and don't step on stage, and don't, you know, like, oh my God, like, I didn't think that it would happen like, you know, this outcome, but it's a lesson learned, and at least now we have an awesome tutorial. All right, guys, it is late and I have to take off my face, go to the airport early in the morning, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to do this, you can try, but you know, honestly, I was kind of hesitant to do it at first, but now like doing it's okay. It's not as bad as it seems. It's just like sometimes maybe if you're like unsure of it, you should probably go to the dentist and get a second opinion, or maybe done professionally, because you could mess up. But anyway, thanks for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys find it useful. Let me know your thoughts and comments, any advice on how to keep it like soft, because right now it's very like rough on the edges, so I need to round off the edges somehow and make it cute. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Toodles.